Welcome to Cooking with Gringo. When I season my food, my ancestors cry. Today we're going to be making Gringo's Southwestern dressing. 1 pound chorizo, let that cook for a couple minutes. Now that's looking good. We're going to add 1 medium diced onion, 2 diced poblanos, and 3 cloves of minced garlic. Just cook until the poblano and onion are tender. Now that is done, stick it in your bowl. We're going to let that cool down a little bit. Now that we let it cool down a couple minutes, we're going to add 1 can of green chilies. One can of Southwestern corn. 1 can of black beans, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of paprika, salt and pepper to taste. Two eggies, 4 cups of cornbread. Now get in there and give it a little mix. Don't worry, I washed my hands yesterday. You might make a little mess, but it'll be alright. Get you a bowl big enough to mix all this in. I don't got one. Cornbread's still a little dry, so you're going to add some beef broth, about a half a cup at a time. Give it a mix. That's good and wet. Get a 9x13 pan and pop her in. Make sure it's evenly distributed. Bake at 350 degrees, 25 to 30 minutes. And now we eat. Topped with queso fresco, and some cilantro. And now we dig in. Oh, very good. Make it yourself and let me know how it turns out. Like and subscribe.